In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT card at the grocery store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the process of using your EBT card, what to consider, and talk about some grocery stores in the US that accept the EBT card as payment. So first, gather your groceries. Make sure that you select only eligible food items, as EBT cannot be used for non-food items like alcohol, tobacco, or cleaning supplies. So that's the basic requirement. Next, proceed to checkout. Now, if you aren't aware if a certain grocery store is going to accept your EBT card, usually they will have a lot of warnings or posters telling you on whether or not EBT cards are accepted. And remember that you can always ask. Some examples that I included here are Walmart, Instacart, and Aldi. As you can see on their websites, they actually have pages dedicated to SNAP EBT payments. So as you can see on Aldi, they say whether it's fresh meat, produce, dairy, or some of the most craveable snacks around, we make using SNAP EBT easy while helping you get the most out of your money. So basically, a lot of grocery stores will accept EBT cards, no problems, as long as you choose eligible food items. Same for Instacart. As you can see, some of these grocery stores and other places will have the EBT tag telling you that you are eligible to use the EBT card in there. The same for Walmart. You can even look for EBT and certain items are going to pop up. So all that you have to do is look for EBT eligible stamps on most grocery stores. Afterwards, proceed to checkout. Identify the paying method, and as long as you tell them that you want to pay using your EBT card, you will get the usual instructions. So on the terminal, you will have to swipe or insert the EBT card. Afterwards, enter your PIN, which is a 4-digit PIN on the keypad. Ensure no one sees your PIN for security reasons and confirm the amount. After it is done, you will receive your receipt and you can take home the food items without any issues. A lot of grocery stores and other stores and retailers will also accept the EBT card online. Remember to always check your balance. It's wise to check your EBT balance before shopping to avoid overspending, and you can do this through an ATM, an online portal, or the mobile app associated with your specific program. In some stores, you might need to separate SNAP eligible items from non-eligible ones. So if you want to purchase a bunch of items, make sure that you make this distinction between them. And some stores offer cashback options with your EBT purchase. Always check with the store's policy. Like I said, I've given you 3 examples being Walmart, Instacart, and Aldi, but you should be on the lookout for any grocery store that has the EBT stamp or any sort of indication that they accept EBT cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card at grocery store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.